Everyone, I recently completed my CCFA course which includes Basics, Tally and Advanced Excel from CAD NEST branch Malleshwaram, and I was trained by Arshia ma'am. She was very much helpful and she was clearing all the doubts which I had. It was very effective and efficient for me to be a part of CAD NEST, and I'm very much happy to be a part. Not only about the academics but also the safety precaution during this COVID time is taken there and all the precautions are followed. I'm very much thankful to CAD NEST. Recently, I've got placed in a Bosch company as an accountant, and all the course which I've done there is very much useful for my job. On April 1st, CAD NEST is celebrating its anniversary. I would like to wish CAD NEST to grow to heights and achieve it. I recommend you all to be a part of CAD NEST and do the courses offered there. There are many courses offered. Visit CAD NEST to know more. Thank you.